Today we are going to demonstrate about this called the critical point apparatus. So basically here we are going to see that at what pressure or what temperature the phase of the liquid or phase of the gas is going to change. So here I am using the SF6 from here, and now I am going to apply the gas. So what we have to do first of all, we have to put the mercury downside so that we cannot see the mercury here. So there is no mercury. So I'll apply the gas from here first. So applying the gas, you have to open gently this point. Then we can see that in the gauge meter the gas is getting changed. Okay. So from here we can see that this is that much the gas we are applying. Then I lock this line. After applying the gas, I lock the line. Then I'll start the pressurize from here. And we can wait so that the mercury can compress the gas. And one stage the gas will convert to the liquid. So this is called the critical point experiment. So just I'm trying to increase the pressure, and at the same time we can see that like this part of the gauge is increasing, and we'll wait to see that like when the mercury is coming out to the capillary tube. So now we can see that the capillary tube, the mercury is coming out. So after some time, like they will achieve to the critical point of the pressure. So we are just waiting to pressurize inside the capillary tube. So now we can see that this 2 megapascal, and this is the stage of the gas. So after some time the gas will convert to the liquid. So this is called the critical point. I'm just waiting, trying to. So we can see that in the top of the mercury, the all gas they have converted to the liquid. So this is called the critical point apparatus. The critical point where they are converting to the